see if I can win some of these Valentine generics over here. Maybe some Loki biz. That's how you say it. Maybe close. Ooh, look at that close. First try. Look at that. Oh, that's a good one too. Sweet. Got that. Let's go for this elephant over here. Close really well. Ooh, maybe get under that trunk. Ooh. Might be gettable. Try for that again. Try for this elephant again. There we go. It's just how I wanted it. Come on. Yes. Oh my god. This claw's definitely strong though. I like it. Stay. Oh, that's terrible. Inside his feet. Oh, come on. Yes, it's in there. You should have stay. Yes. What? Let's paint our card. Oh, that's good. Ooh, there we go. 5 seconds. I have to go for this elephant, but oh, no way. Oh. I'm just gonna come right for it. Got that. Let's go for this part right here. Maybe. Wow. Freaking weed. Great job. Sweet. Oh, I got it. Stay. See if we can get this part now. She's like on the floor, sort of. Got cool dance moves. She's on the floor. Maybe. Oh. I could get this part though. I don't know, maybe. colors. There we go, maybe dig them out. Come on. There we go. Oh, stay. Oh, wow. That was cray. All you Claras watching, if you say that. Oh, are you serial? Are you kidding me? Keep on playing. There. Are you kidding me? This thing is so weak. Okay. This is so funny. He's like so gettable. He's literally the most gettablest thing on earth. You can't win him. It's really sad. There, that should stay. Oh wow. Really, nigga.
Really, nigga?
Yes, stay. Yes, got this part. Okay, cool. I'm gonna go for this crusty. It's kind of a risk, but I'm gonna try it. Oh, maybe. Come on. Yes. Crusty, stay. Yes. And by the feet. Sweet. Try that. Ooh, maybe. Yes. Oh, she's getting it. I would love all these. Come on. Oh, it's on the foot. Gotta be kidding. Fine, be that way. Good one, Will. Be that way. Poopy face. Yes. Exactly how I wanted it. Perfect. Stay. Yes. Oh, doing pretty good so far. This guy. Right here by the feet. Oh, 2 in a row. Come on, grab. Yes. That should stay. Nice, we got him too. Wait, this is turning out pretty good. For what, 3 in a row? This is awesome. Especially that they're all licensed, which is nice. Ooh, that one's gonna be right. Come on. I feel like a pretty good feeling. Uh-oh. Ooh, he's got one. Let's go for him. Oh, I should have him. Grab. Yes. Yes, got him too. Wow. We won like $5 and $6 challenge. That's awesome. There we go. I should have it. Stay. Oh no, oh my god. That's close. Nope. Fail. There, I should have Homer. Stay. Yep, got Homer. Hope we get all these. We'll get some cash back. Nice. Should be pretty cool. Oh, maybe. Come on. Off to a good start? Yes, we are. Sweet. Rusty the Clown. First try. Go, go, go. Stop this. All you do. Right? Come on. Stay strong until the very end. All right, buddy? Doing great work out there. Right there. Oh, didn't get under his arm though. Unfortunately, that's good. get him out of that weird position he's in.
If you don't know how to play this game, refer to page 1 for the directions. If you don't know how to find page 1, refer to page 3 for directions on how to find page 1.
Okay.
If you don't know how to find page 3, refer to page 2 on directions on how to find page 2.
Okay. I got that. All of it. It's just in here.
Okay. And just so we clarify, page 1 does not refer to any other page. It simply tells you
Oh.
the rules of the game. Because that was against the rules there.
Yeah.
You're not allowed to hold one or
I
upside
know.
down.
Don't tell the cops though. Okay. Secret. It's our little secret.
It's a secret?
Yeah.
I can hold a secret
Okay,
for about
cool.
5 minutes.
Really?
Yeah. Dude, you know they have Pokemon over there?
Pokemon?
That's what I'm psyched out about. Hey, you're about to win.
Yep. Because I cheated. Remember the rules?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, I know. Did it?
What? Oh,
Wow, I
no!
just got screwed. Oh, I'll win another one. Get like 2 at once.
Get some crusty in there?
Yeah.
I don't know if that's gonna work.
Let's see. Probably not. I
Oh.
don't know. Wow. Let's see. Maybe I'll stay. There we go. I should have it. There we go. 2 and 1. 2 and 1. Knock 'em in. Yes. That's better. Nope, I doubt it. Oh. 2 tries. So many things happening. Okay, let's go for another one. Let's try, let's go for some large over here. Maybe. There we go. Stay. Oh, nice. Got her. Sweet. Now we can get these over here too. Right there. There we go. I should have it. There we go. Crusty. Nice. Let me swing it again though. Like that. Swing it. Oh, maybe. Last try. Oh. Alright, I'm done.